Alright guys, I'm gonna give you an apartment tour right now. So check out this apartment. Gotta have some food on the TV. I'm a big foodie. So this is a 1 bedroom. The main door, storage room. I didn't go for a washer and dryer. You save more money without the washer and dryer. Just have somebody come and wash the clothes. JPS get less of your money. What time is it, Alexa? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:52 p.m.
Okay. So that's the kitchen. Lots of cupboard space. There's a living room. Living room is pretty big. I kind of wish the AC was a little bit bigger. I feel like this is too small for the living room. You have to have the fan going, you know, it's January, so you don't really need the AC.
I have things I want to see.
Here's the bedroom.
Investing with RBC.
Personalized human support and improving track record of performance. That's how RBC helps you maximize your return on life.
I was gonna put the TV on the wall, but I said nah. This is actually my first TV I've ever purchased in Jamaica. Purchased this, I think 2016. Yeah. Them times that Samsung is big in Jamaica. Everybody, all they want is Samsung. Samsung this, Samsung that. So, good size closet. It's a good space too, like if you wanted to you know, get somebody in here and let them put up some shelving in here, you know, like a customized closet, wood shelves and cubbies and stuff. But I don't really live here, so I don't really need all of that. Yeah, I'm a big shoe guy. I don't know if you could tell. I like shoes a lot. Yeah, I'm a big shoe guy. Usually when I come, I try not to bring any clothes because I already have everything here, right? I brought clothes over the years and I've left it. So I just will come and probably just bring some jeans and then just bring maybe some shoes. And most of these shoes I leave here. I don't bring them back to Canada with me. Like this whole row is left here. This is left. These ones are left. Yeah, and bags. You have to have your knapsack. Keep your equipment in. There's a washroom. Washroom is a good size. Only thing I wish is they drilled out the wall and put like a, you know, you ever seen those showers where in here is drilled out and then you can keep some of these products here. It goes back, has like a tile there so you can keep your products. I wish they did that. And I wish they did like a little seat in here. But it's not too late, you can still do all of that. Put like a little seat in. Yeah, so you can maybe about here. So you can kind of sit down. Maybe if you want to scrub your feet or something like that, you can do that. But yeah, it's okay. Not too bad. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it for the apartment tour. 1 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. So tell me guys, tell me what you think of this apartment. Would you stay here? Yeah, so tell me what you think of this apartment. Would you stay here? What would you do different? What would you change? For the most part, me, I would keep it the way it is. I would probably want to get a bigger AC. I don't know if that's even possible, 'cause I think maybe the bigger ones are industrial AC. So, yeah, probably I would get a bigger sectional too. I'll probably get a, because the space is so big. I'd probably get something bigger. I had this against the wall, but the problem is when the AC is on, you can't feel the heat when it's right against the wall. So that's why I kind of moved it up. So when the AC is on, the cold air just come right. Now it's not really a big deal because it's pretty much winter time. January, February, December, November, it's like winter time. But in the summer, you know, May, June, July, it gets really hot in here. So it makes more sense to put the couch up here so the AC, you could feel the AC when you're lying on the couch, you know, things like that. Yeah. But yeah, I like this little space. I've been here for over 2 years. This is my home away from home when I'm in Jamaica. Yeah. And I don't like that fuse box there. I feel like the fuse box should have been in the laundry room area, you know? Instead of having the fuse box on the main wall. To me, it's like a big eyesore. And they should have probably paint over it too, you know? Paint over the fuse box so it matches the wall at least. That's my opinion. That's what I would do. Yeah, you know, so this is nice. I like the crown molding. You don't really see a lot of apartments with crown molding. It's pretty classy. But other than that, I have some not minor pet peeves though. But for the most part, this apartment is great. Yeah, a lot of cupboard space. You know, lots of space in the living room. Like when I bring this couch back against the wall, tons of space. Tons of space. When I bring the couch back against the wall, there's lots of space. Yeah. And yeah, that's about it. So tell me what you think about my apartment tour. All right. Peace. Peace.